Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is for learners who want to improve their skills with the ghost mannequin editing effect in Photoshop. Make sure to use the pen tool for precise cutting. Go to the filter menu and use Liquify to enhance the shape of the pants. Use the spot healing brush tool to remove dust. Use the patch tool to remove wrinkles. Use frequency separation actions to reduce wrinkles and folds. Use the brush tool to paint over the folded and wrinkled areas. Once you are done painting over the image, select the lower frequency layer, control-click on layer 1, and invert it by pressing Ctrl+I. Next, delete both the lower and high frequency layers, select the main 16-bit top layer, and press Ctrl+E. It's done. For more videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.